Hey guys, welcome to Matthew. Today we are attempting the fifth question of the International Advanced Level Pure Mathematics P1 of Jan 2021. So let's get started. The figure 3 shows the plan view of viewing platform at a tourist site. The shape of viewing platform consists of a sector ABCOA of a circle, center O joined to triangle AOD, given that OA equal to OC equal to 6 centimeter, AG equal to 14 meter, angle ADC equal to 0.43 radians, angle AOD is an obtuse angle, OCD is a straight line. Find A, the A part, the size of the angle AOD in radians to 3 decimal places. Okay, fine, we have to find AOD. Let me just mention it here. Going back to the graph, need to find AOD, this angle here. And before finding any angle, I'll be plugging in all the values that have been given, labeling all the graph here. There you go guys, I've labeled it. The alpha is the angle that we have to find, that's AOD. The D angle is being 0.43 radians. The AD is 14 meter, and those basically AO and OC are the same side, 6 meters down. Now to find AOD, you can use a ton of methods here, sine, cos, tan, but the very reliable method here to use is sine. Why? Because as you know that there are two angles and three sides given, but basically what happens, even if two sides and one angle is given, you can use sine rule. So I know that 0.43 radians coincides with the opposite here, that's 6, that's a 6 opposite value, and alpha coincides this opposite value, that's 14 meter. So I'll be writing it the sine rule down, and the formula for it will be, there you go. Our sine rule is sine A or sine alpha, you can say, upon A, that's the side, equal to sine B upon B. So what I'll do is I'll just plug in the values so that you can check it out. There you go, sine A upon 14 equal to 0.43 radian upon 6. Now to make sine A the subject, I'll multiply 14 on the both sides, and that will give me, there you go, 0.43 into 14 upon 6. Now just plug these values into the calculator and find sine A, which will be, so before plugging the values into the calculator, I want you guys to remember two things. First, make sure that your calculator is in the radian mode before finding the angle, and to find angle we use sine inverse function. You can see on your calculator there will be yellow sine inverse. First press shift and then press sine, and that will give you the sine inverse function there. And now plugging in these values, we'll get, there you go guys, sine A is equal to 0.972698539. And now to find the alpha angle or the A only, what I'll do is I'll just multiply everything with sine inverse of it, so that will leave me with A. So alpha will be our subject, and our final answer will be 1.336588719. And we can also see that they are saying that we have to put every value to 3 decimal place, so that will be 1.337. and guys, the answer is incomplete yet. Why? Because if you notice, I just highlighted AOD from here to here is a triangle, and we all know that a triangle in terms of pi is 1 pi, so that's pi, and a circle is 2 pi, that's 360, and a triangle is 180, so that's pi radians. Now what you have to do to find alpha, the angle alpha, you have to do minus 180 by this angle 1.337, that's pi minus 1.337. and if we see, let me show you, 1.337, and when I subtract them, I'll get 1.805, and that's the size of the angle AOD. That's our final answer here. And moving on to the B part, the length of arc ABC in meters to 1 decimal place, and that's of 2 marks. A very easy question, we need to find the arc ABC there. Let me just highlight it for you. That's this thing here. They're asking us to find the arc length here, and I'll be mentioning the arc length formula. There you go, that's the formula. That's the arc length S, and R is the radius, and theta is the angle. Now to find the arc length, the radius has been already been given, that's 6 here and 6 here, so that's 6 meter. So 6 has already been given, and to find theta there's a catch, and the catch is that we already found what this angle is. So students, don't use this angle here, that'll be incorrect. That was 1.805. Now students, don't use this angle or else you will get your answer wrong. We have to find arc length in terms of this angle. So I already told you that a whole angle, a circle, that's 2 pi, that consists of 2 pi, and we are only finding this part. So that will be 2 pi minus 1.805, and that will be 4.478185407 radian. That's our theta. Now what we'll do is we'll just take one decimal place, so that will be 4.4 or 4.5 you can say, and then multiply it with 6, that's the radian, and we'll find that our arc length will equal to 26.9 meter, and that's to one decimal place, and that's the final answer. That's 2 marks. Moving on to the C part. The total area of viewing platform in meter square to one decimal place. Okay, now that's 4 marks. So 2 marks of finding the circle's area, and the 2 marks for finding the area of triangle. Very easy guys, don't worry about this, we'll get through this. So I'll just write the area formula for both of them, for the arc length and for the triangle. There you go, the area of sector is half r square theta. And now for the triangle, there you go, area of triangle is half AB sine C. Guys, you have to remember this formula by heart, and if you don't know, that's not a big deal. They will be given in the formula sheet. What I'll do is I'll just plug my values in. That's half into r is 6, and theta is 4.47. that was 2 pi minus 1.805, so that will give me a value of 80.6. and for the area of triangle, the sine C angle would be the angle A. So we'll find it by adding 1.805 and 0.43 and subtracting by pi again. So that will give us 0.91 to one decimal place, and just plug in the values. A will be 6, B will be 14 if you remember from the triangle, and our final value will be 33.1 when I plug those values in. Now guys, the final part is either we have to add or subtract, but what is the answer here? We have to add here. Students, what mostly do is they think they are finding the shaded region, because most of the questions are related to it, so they get confused here. They say the total area. Whenever they say total, let me show you the total area. Whenever they mention this word, you have to add these values. So that will be 80.6 plus 33.1, and our final answer will be 113.7 meters square. Don't forget the units, always write the units in the end. They have also given the question here in meter square, so just write it down or you lose 1 mark for it. Basically 1 or half doesn't matter, because we have completed 3, 2 and 4, those are done. So that's 6 and 9 marks. We have completed 9 marks, and that's how you solve this circles and radian problem. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from this series.